Welcome back to Solidworks for Dummies. So today I am here with the new tutorial. Today we will focus on the like how to use slot. Okay, you can see this is slot, and how to use mirror command in feature manager, uh, and a lot of new things. So first of all, I would like to make this base strip, and then I would go to this, like you can see these are bars here, so I would go those previous. So first of all, let's see top view, and I would go with this top view which I can see. Okay, so first of all, I would draw rectangle from here to here. Okay, 40 and 130. So I would go to top plane. I exit this sketch and make my new sketch. Top plane, edit sketch, and I would send. Okay, let's say center rectangle. So it's good with the center rectangle. So that was 130 mm, and that was side was 40, I guess. Or we can verify it by just rotating the view, because it was in the front view and this is at the top view. So yeah, 40, and it is 20. So yes, now sometime you get like this is not normal view. So if you wanna go to exactly normal view or top view, just go here and click normal to. So you go normal to that sketch without any problem. So now I want to draw here like arc type. So I would go to here and select this. I would select only straight point. You can see, click here, and okay, not go this, click for 3-point arc. Keep in mind, select this 3-point arc and click the extreme point, and go, and you will see it will suggest you that now it's at exactly the midpoint. Now to make it done, now just it is okay. Now make dimension to check it, if it is 20, yes, 20. Now it's okay. Now we have to go to like trim all entities. Okay, I trimmed all the entities. Okay, so if you don't know how to trim, I repeat again, click here trim, and you will see power trim. Click power trim, and now just press your left click and then drag your mouse. Okay, see you can see this as well. So keep pressing left click. Now it is all trimmed. Okay, now I have to draw the slot over here. So I would go to slot and select whatever you wanna. I would go with straight slot, and I would click this, and like this, make sure that is horizontal, and okay. Now what are the specs of this? Just zoom out and rotate your view, so that we can check what are the requirement in the drawing. So this is 10 radius and 40 of this inner point. So again I go normal, right click and normal to, that was 40, so I set it to 40, and it is 10, so radius I make it 10. So I think we are good to go. Okay, make sure that whole sketch of your is black. If it is blue, it means it is not fully defined. So I make it fully defined like this. Now it is fully defined. Okay, so how it gets fully defined? When you make reference with respect to some origin and then define whole dimension, then it becomes fully defined. Now rotate view and check the drawing if it is okay. Yes, now we are good to go with our Okay, I have to make it like a 10 mm upward, so I would go to feature extrude. So this is where we can use select controls. Okay, which you want to extrude. If you want to extrude this region, you can click here, it would extrude only this. If you want to extrude other as well, so you can select other as well. You can see every sketch and region is added here. If you want to remove anyone, so if you click that, it will suggest you have selected this. So see, it highlights a little bit. So I wanna remove that region, delete. So I have extruded this to 10 mm and up to word blind. So yes, okay. So now this is the point where we will use now I have to draw this, like you can see this area, and this is where we would like to make our you can say mirror, use mirror command. Okay, first of all, okay, in this tutorial we will also learn how to use reference plane as well. So reference plane helps a lot in making new sketches over the new plane. So this is our view. So I would like to make draw over this area. So now how I make sketch over here, so I would select this area and sketch. Okay, this is the one approach you can do, and other approach is that you just go to reference plane and select the plane and then just click here. See, now it has shown. Okay, now you have to make it coincident. So coincident means it is connected to that, or if you want to place your reference plane at some distance, then you can define some distance as well. You can define angle as well. So this in detail we would explain in next tutorial. Okay, so I have make some reference plane. Now I would click here at reference plane and add sketch. So from here you can also draw sketch, or you can click here okay, you can click here as well. So it is not selecting at that moment, so I would go here and sketch. Now I have to make some rectangle. Yeah, okay, zoom in, make sure that it is connected. Oh, this is center rectangle, but I don't want to draw a center rectangle, so why don't we go with the line. So I would go with the line, and that I would make it, that is our line at the angle of 90. Now I wanna make a dome here over here. So what I would do is I would just go back and then go forward. See, now horizontal line is recommending me to stop here. If you want to stop here, then you are good to go, otherwise you can move forward, but I would like to stay here at the rough sketch and then zoom out. Okay, now it is again vertical and connecting that line as well. You can see every image here in yellow highlighted area. So it is connected, it is vertical, and it is tangent as well. Okay, now and also make sure you connected it. Now it is our close region, and now we can do whatever you want to do. Okay, now I would give dimension, it is 30 and dia is 50. So this is 30 mm, and make sure it is 50. Okay, yes, now we have to draw 30 dia in the origin of this. So just go here, it would recommend you the center, and just click here, and that's it. So again dimension, and we have to give the dimension of 30. So that our sketch is ready. Now what we have to do is just to extrude. I would go to feature extrude. Okay, yes, now it is in this direction, but I wanna extrude on the other direction. You can extrude with the help of arrow as well, but I recommend you use this. And how much it is extruded, you can see from side view, it is 10. So yeah, 10. Now it's done. This is where now our mirror plane comes to action. So what we have to do is, first of all, draw some mirror plane at the center. Okay, so I would like to draw in the center reference plane. So how we can draw our reference plane in the center? So just go to the reference and select plane. Okay, so we have to define some references. So I would draw both ends, one this and other this end. So it would automatically give you the center. I would select OK. Okay, you can hide your plane from here as well. Just go to hide. Now it is showing you just your middle plane. Okay, you can rename your plane as well. So I can rename it as well, mirror plane. Mirror plane. So these names are like professional as well, and helps us a lot while doing some complex designing. So our now mirror is defined. Now I have to mirror this area to that side. So what I would do is just go to mirror, and it would show out. Okay, now it is telling us define your mirror plane or mirror face. So I would click this. This is my mirror face, and which feature you wanna mirror, you can select from here as well. Okay, see, you can select from here as well. Delete, but I would recommend you to go here and select this. Okay, see, this is showing, and now click. Okay, you can see this. Now it is added here. I clicked here, but it is added here as well. Now okay, see. So for mirroring, what we have to do is, first we have to define some plane with reference to which we have to mirror. So I made some reference plane, and then I use mirror command, and I added features which I needed to mirror, and then I click OK. So that is made. So if you want to hide this mirror plane, just click here and hide it. Okay, and you can suppress your previous sketch for this. You press this and this. It is really fascinating, and that's all from my side. So let's see in the next tutorial. Thank you very much.